Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, and today we will see how we can use Cash App Boost, and it is quite easy to use. So all you have to do is just open up your Cash App, and after that click on your card section on Cash App, which is second from left on bottom. And here if you don't have card, then you won't be able to boost it. So first just click on get a free cash card. It is quite easy, just click on cash card and get it. And after that a boost option will appear after getting your card. Just click on that button and you will get different offers for different cards, like discounts on different purchases. All you have to do is just select one of the option for your offer and make sure to check the minimum requirements of that offer, like you must spend that particular minimum amount to get that offer activated. So after that just select that offer and your card will be boosted for that offer. And that's how easy it is. And there might be cooldowns, like you will get this offer again after 1 hour or 2 hour or maybe one day. So this is how it all works. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.